Hi, welcome to my dirty shower. Trying to start off the new year the right foot, and I'm trying to clean my house. Here you can see how bad all the gross scum is in my shower. I'm trying to get my house clean for the new year. I know there are a lot of working moms out there, and I'm one of them. I work full-time, and sometimes it's hard to get to these things. So here I am on my vacation day working on the shower. So I just use Vinegar and Dawn. I put them in a 1-to-1 ratio in a spray bottle, and I swirl it up, and then I spray it all over my shower. This mixture is very powerful, and it smells really clean, really nice. I let this soak overnight in our shower, and the whole room smelled so fresh and clean. It was like almost the smell of laundry, actually. And you can see here I'm spraying it all over my shower, and I try to focus on those really grimy areas. Those stains there that you see on the little shelves, those are from the soap scum. It's just building up because I haven't cleaned this, guys, in at least over a month. The solution's great to use on chrome. It makes the chrome so shiny. You can see here all those little specks of the hard water stains on it, but with this mixture it really takes that off. I let everything sit for overnight, and then the next day, right before my shower, I just came in and did a quick scrub on those really grimy areas. You can see here those shelves. I'm really focusing hard on those shelves because that's where a lot of the soap scum gets built up. The walls and the floors. I'm not scrubbing too hard. This is sped up video, but it really took me about 10 minutes to do the whole amount of scrubbing. And then when I was in the shower, all I did was I rinsed off all these areas, and I could see the dirt just skimming off with the water. And this is one particularly satisfying moment where I'm rubbing, and it just looked like all of the soap scum got pulled off. So this is the final result of my shower with all my bottles put back. You can see everything looks nice and clean, and I'm so happy with it. I'll definitely try hard to try to keep this up and keep my products to a minimum so that my shower looks minimalistic and hopefully is easier to clean. If I add up all the time that I spent on cleaning the shower, it really only added up to maybe about 20 minutes, and I think that was definitely time well spent. Well, thanks for watching my video. I hope that this inspires you to tackle your shower as well.